boys? What is up, guys? It's your boy Kevino back with another video. Today we have the top 5 things to do in Houston, Texas. Now this is going to be a little bit of a different type of video, so if you enjoy it, make sure to smash that like and sub. Now, I have a lot of fun videos planned to come out over the next couple months, so if you want to stay up to date with that, make sure to smash the sub, make sure to hit that bell icon. Let's go. Enjoy the video.
Houston, Texas, a vibrant metropolis known for its diverse culture and rich history, offers a plethora of experiences for visitors and locals alike. At number 5 on the list of must-do activities is a trip to Galveston Pier, situated just a short drive from the city. This iconic pier boasts thrilling rides, delectable seafood, and stunning views of the Gulf Coast. Fun fact: Galveston Pier is home to the historic Pleasure Pier, which dates back to the early 20th century and has been a beloved entertainment destination for generations. Visitors can experience the nostalgia of classic amusement park rides while enjoying modern attractions and games. Additionally, Galveston Pier hosts seasonal events and live music performances, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline rush on the roller coasters or simply craving some fresh seafood by the sea, Galveston Pier is sure to delight visitors of all ages. Moving on to number 4, we have the tranquil shores of Jamaica Beach, located along the Gulf of Mexico. This hidden gem offers pristine sands, crystal clear waters, and a laid-back atmosphere perfect for relaxation. Fun fact: Jamaica Beach is one of the few beaches in Texas where you can drive your vehicle directly onto the sand, making it a popular spot for beach picnics and bonfires. Visitors can spend their days sunbathing, swimming, or engaging in water sports such as kayaking and paddleboarding. Additionally, the beach features convenient amenities including restrooms, picnic areas, and volleyball courts. Whether you're soaking up the sun, taking a dip in the ocean, or enjoying a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, Jamaica Beach provides the ultimate beach experience without the crowds. Claiming the number 3 spot is none other than the Galleria, Houston's premier shopping destination. Boasting over 400 stores, including luxury boutiques, department stores, and specialty shops, the Galleria offers something for every style and budget. Fun fact: the Galleria is home to an impressive indoor ice skating rink, where visitors can lace up their skates and glide across the ice beneath the iconic glass atrium. In addition to shopping, the Galleria features a diverse array of dining options, ranging from casual eateries to upscale restaurants. Visitors can also enjoy entertainment, such as movies, concerts, and special events throughout the year. Whether you're indulging in a shopping spree, dining at one of the gourmet restaurants, or testing your skills on the ice, the Galleria promises a day of luxury and leisure. We delve into Houston's lush parks and green spaces, inviting respite from the urban planning. Urban Park stands as a verdant oasis, boasting not only the Houston Zoo, but also tranquil gardens and recreational activities, like pedal boating. Meanwhile, Memorial Park sprawls with vast expanses of greenery, perfect for hiking, biking, or simply unwinding amidst nature's embrace. Buffalo Pine Park, with its scenic trails and stunning views, offers an idyllic setting for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, with amenities ranging from picnic areas to playgrounds. These parks cater to families, fitness and those seeking solace in the great outdoors. Whether you're strolling along serene pathways or reveling in the beauty of blooming gardens, Houston's parks provide a sanctuary for all to enjoy. And finally, claiming the coveted #1 spot on our list is the vibrant heart of Houston downtown. This bustling district is home to iconic landmarks, cultural attractions, and a dynamic culinary scene that reflects the city's diverse heritage. Fun fact, downtown Houston is home to the Theater District, which ranks second in the nation for the number of theater seats in a concentrated downtown area, trailing only behind New York City's Broadway. The district also boasts architectural marvels, such as the towering J.P. Morgan Chase Tower and the historic City Hall. Visitors can explore cultural institutions, including the Houston Museum of Natural Science and the Museum of Fine Arts, Houston. Whether you're catching a show at one of the theaters, marveling at the stunning architecture, or simply soaking in the electric energy of the city streets, downtown Houston is an experience not to be missed.
If you made it to the end of the video, make sure to hit like. Here's a bonus clip of me crashing my drone at the hotel in Houston.